So you just picked up a Madbull Kite. Great. Let's set it up. First take a scissors, cut along the top. Be careful not to cut the kite itself. Take the kite out of the packaging. You will see the compass thread and the tail thread. Instructions are also listed at the back of the kite. You can review them here. Look for the compass thread. This is where you will tie your flying string. Look for the tail thread. This is where you will tie your tail, which is usually an old bedsheet ripped in strips. The instructions at the back provide more detail on this. Take the tail made from strips of old sheeting, tie a knot at the top as shown. Use the kite tail string and tie securely to the tail. Next, let's tie the flying thread to the compass. Tie the thread onto the loop at the compass. And congrats! You're all done and ready to fly.